hear that? What's the sound of the wind? It's windy out here. Listen to that. This is out the screen door. It's blowing. Okay, I think it stopped. Okay, I guess it's gone. I guess it stopped. Oh wait, never mind. It's never mind. Wow. This is. Oh goodness. That was a big one. Oh, there he goes again. I'll never forget. A few years ago, when a hurricane struck our struck our town, it was very intense. I was very scared when I was a little boy. I think it was probably like back in 2009. Yeah, back in 2009, a hurricane hit this place. A hurricane hit our city, hit our town. It sounded like it sounded like this when we were in our house. Our power. This is how it sounded during the hurricane. Oh, jeez. Wow. Cause so yeah, back in 2009, it started when we were going to church on. It was on a Sunday. Back in 2009, we were going to church. We were in. We were busy in the middle of it till the lights came out. The lights went out at the church, and I was scared. I was 10 years old when that happened. I was scared that the lights keep turning on and off. It was a windstorm. We did and after church ended, we made a run for the car. Mom and I made a run for the car. We ran. We finally made it. I mean, and on our way back, the wind was was rocking the car back and forth. But we didn't get turned over. Thank God for that. Actually, I gotta get out of the way. Uh, my uncle's gonna come through the door. I can hear the wind came back. I can hear the wind through. I can hear the wind howling through the front door. I can actually hear the wind busting out the, not busting, but I'm hearing some wind noises out in the, through the front door, through this, because this is a screen door right here. you think we, you think that we have nothing on the door, and we don't have a door, but this explains it all. Look at this. Hi, neighbor. Is he my neighbor for real? Sorry, it's one of our neighbors, so. Okay. I guess the wind stopped now. So I'm good. Oh, crap, never mind. Never mind. Mom was just asking me about me having dirty socks. Because I probably don't have any. Look at this. It's just so windy out here. Oh well. I guess that must be it. Right, for now. No signs of any noises, so yeah. Oh, come on! For serious? I thought you were done. I thought it was over. Please be done. I'm tired of standing. I don't want to make a video that's over 15 minutes long. If you don't mind, I would like to leave in peace. No more distractions. See ya. Don't forget, don't forget, you guys, I still have a video for after bowling tonight. Still coming. Still to come. So have fun. See you soon.